Hello guys, welcome back. Let's start our project, Space Truss. But before that, let's save this model and then create a new model. Some of you ask in the comments where I learned SAP2000. I see I buy two of the Udemy's courses. One of them is given by one of our Indian friends. He was very talented and the course was great, but for some of you maybe it's hard to understand because of the low quality of microphone, but the course itself is very great, and if you want you can go and see that. But the course is chase you a lot of money. It's on yourself what you want to do. You want to see the course or not. Today we are going to create a blank. Now I want to teach you something. Okay, let's see if we want to create something from the blank. What we do, we just click on Fine Grade. And then after clicking on Fine Grade, we click on, sorry, it's going to lag a little. Let me create a new one. Sometimes these problems happens. Okay, let's click on Fine Grid. After we clicking on that, when we click, nothing happened. After that, we just click on Draw Special Joints. After that, let's click one here. You see nothing happened, but the thing is happened, and we can see just now. Okay, let's say it's offset to be 1000. And after we clicking that, nothing is seen. Okay, we must change the view here. You can also change the view of your, I gave the offset in X. Okay, you can see the SAP is a huge program, and now the grade is happening. The fine grade is the cursor that you can see. Okay, let me delete it and create another one. We have two views, but we need one of them to be XY, I say. XY or XZ. For now, let's go by XY. We create, okay, on fine grain and make it. And then open and draw a special line. Just wait a little to fine grain. Then, okay, here. As you can see, we create a point. After that, just change the offset by 1000 and click here. The point is created, but where? You must change the view of your program to see the point. Okay, it's not important for me now. I can also see the model here. Okay, we find the model. Let's zoom out a little. Zoom out. The important thing is here we have the point, but don't worry if you see it. Let's go and say Y offset to 1000. Then okay. And click here. Oh, sorry, okay. Oh. Let me create another one. 1000. No, 0. This 1000. Okay, we create a point here. Now put this to 1000 too. And then okay. Let me see what the point we created. Okay, as you can see, we have 4 points, but it's not rendered yet. Do you see? We have the 4 points that we needed, but the program hasn't rendered them yet. Okay, just wait a little for the program to render them. We create a cube now, but we want to do something more complicated in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait until the program rendered them, and we will there soon. Okay, as you can see, the program rendered them. These are the 4 pounds that we created. Have a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.